So let's have a look at the new scenario. It's about publishing the strawberry now. And so this is Heike again, but now she got a reviewer and a boss. So she isn't responsible for everything she does on her own anymore. So that's Heike, that's Oscar, and that's Carl. There we are. Oscar does the approval of what Heike does, and Carl does the final publishing. So here's Heike again. This time, let's have a look at the introductory package, for example. So Heike uploads the strawberry, enters some text, creates her content, adds the strawberry, and brings it to the front end. Now there is a change. So the page has become yellow up here, indicating that this page is not in regular everything all right state anymore, but it is in draft state. So something has changed on this page that has not been published yet. Here we are, the page is in draft mode. Some other pages, as you see here, blue is for ready for review and green is for ready to publish. So we got that new module just allowing Heike to advance the status to ready for approval and add a little message to Oscar. Please review my new content element on this page. Heike saves the whole thing. The page switches to ready for review and the content publisher sends an email to Oscar. So Oscar can become active and do his part of the story. Oscar enters the TYPO3 backend, and Heike is not the only editor he is working with, and the page that Heike just created is not the only one that Heike has worked on. So it's a little tricky to keep the overview, so that's why we have built the publish workflow module, where you get all the pages that are in any kind of workflow status at the moment. It can be filtered by workflow state, deleted status, and record level. And as you can see, only the pages that are ready for publishing have those little arrows that allow the page to be actually published. So here's what Oscar does. He inspects the page, he sees all the changes, he sees that these elements have not made it to life yet. He uses the comparison view to check whether the strawberry looks fine and whether it fits in nicely on where it's probably going to be on the live system, on the live page. Oscar thinks everything is fine, so he advances the workflow to ready to publish and sends a message to his boss, which is, "Dear Carl, that's great, let's publish it on Monday." So it's on Monday. It's not Monday today, so it's a scheduled publishing. To achieve this, Oscar actually uses this field down here, enters a date, saves the whole thing, and that little tiny clock symbol appears next to the page. It's a little tiny, I'm sorry. So yeah, now Heike is happy, Oscar is happy. An email is sent to Carl saying that something has happened, but Carl is not happy. Carl is of the impatient kind. So it's Wednesday today, and Carl would have to wait until Monday until this content is going live. No way. So Carl enters the system, checks the publish overview, goes to the text and images page, and just clicks the button that just had a clock a minute ago. It's actually, it doesn't matter if the page is scheduled and there is a little clock symbol, or if it's not, whenever you press that button, you can publish the whole thing. So if you're the impatient boss, it's your responsibility anyway. So the content publisher does as you say, it does the publishing, gives you a confirmation, and there we are, strawberry has landed.